Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete items from Google Collections. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is go ahead and make sure our Google app is up to date. So click and hold down, click into I for more info, scroll down and click on app details in store and make sure to update it to the latest version. Once it's updated, go ahead and open up Google. Okay, once we're inside Google, we need to click onto our profile icon top right hand corner. In previous versions, the saved or collection used to be on the bottom, but now it's up in the profile. So go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then from here, it's got saves and collections. So just simply click into that. Now this is where all your saved and collections are going to appear. So just go ahead and choose which one you want to delete. So we can go ahead and look at all saved items. So click into that. And now click on the three dots top right hand corner of the page and then select. So select the ones you want to delete. So if I want to do this one here, now I want to go ahead and click on the trash and also remove this item from all saved items, and then it's no longer be available in this collection. So go ahead and click remove, and that's how to delete items from Google Collections.